Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I make my steamed fish and okra. This one is my favorite meal, so I decided I'm gonna share this recipe with you all. So now I'm gonna jump right into the intro. Then I'm gonna show you all my ingredients what I'm using for my steamed fish.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So family, for my ingredients for my steamed fish, over here I have some chopped scallions, I have a piece of butter, I have some carrots cut up in julienne strips. Here I have a piece of fresh thyme, some pimento berries which they call allspice. Here I have some pumpkin chopped up, I have some okra, some onions, some bell pepper. Over here I have my water crackers, my Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice fish season. And here I have some yam cut up in cubes, and this is white yam. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the fish now. So this is the fish I'm using, guys. Red snapper. I already scale and wash it already. So I'm gonna go ahead now, season the fish. As you could see, I cut the side so the season could soak in. You want to make sure you season it evenly. So I'm rubbing the season. And this season don't have a lot of sodium inside of it, so it's not like I'm over seasoning the fish. Now make sure you get the seasoning inside. So after seasoning the fish, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start the cooking process. So guys, now I'm gonna start to cook the fish. Turn the stove on. Now I'm going to add the butter in the pot first. Then I'm going to add my rest of stuff. Now I'm adding my stuff. Adding all of those. My pimento. My pumpkin. Now I'm adding my yam. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fish season. 1 teaspoon of fish season. Now I'm going to add some water. Roughly 1 cup of water. Just like that. Now I'm going to cover the pot for it to come to a boil. So guys, now the pot boiling up, time to add the fish. This pot a little bit too small. It's still gonna fit. So as you could see, the fish is steaming down, and this is supposed to take 10 to 12 minutes to cook. So now the fish actually finished steam. Some time for me to add my crackers them. Cover it up for another couple of minutes. So now the fish finished. I'm turn off my stove. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it now. So now I'm gonna plate the fish. Don't want it to break. Smells so good. So here you have it, steamed fish and okra. So please remember to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.